In the currency quadrant today, taking a look at the April Japanese yen futures contract, which is suffering from what I call a flight from the yen. The premium from the flight to safety that's been put into the yen, that the yen has enjoyed post-pandemic, is finally being priced out over the last, say, 3 months or so. The yen today on the downside, down 34 basis points with a low of 93.32.5. On the upside, 93.73.5 was up 10 basis points. We finished down around 20 basis points or so on the day. The yen now continues to fall, down 6 of the last 7 sessions. And if it wasn't for yesterday's small uptick, it'd be 7 consecutive sessions, down 6 of the last 9 weeks, and lower for 3 consecutive months in price. So that flight to safety premium being almost completely taken out. Today's low was the lowest level we've seen in the Japanese yen futures since about July 22nd of 2020. Now, there is an economic lag in Japan versus some other nations. When you look at the manufacturing PMI, Japan's level number was above 50, which is that expansion contraction sort of line in the sand. Above 50 means an economy is expanding. Below 50 means it's contracting, but it wasn't as strong as the UK, it wasn't as strong as Germany, and it wasn't as strong as the United States. Now, there's services PMI, the Jimboon Services PMI, which comes from Jimboon Bank in Australia, came out at 46.3, staying below that 50 line now for 13 consecutive months. So the services sector really suffering. And some of that has to do with their vaccine lag. Japan started their vaccine administrations very late. And that lag is putting them in danger of not having enough supply once they actually have the medical wherewithal to start administering these vaccines at a much faster clip. Since March, or as of March 2nd, I should say, 34,772 doses have been administered in Japan. That's only 0.03 for every 100 Japanese citizens. That is a very low level. You compare that, for example, to Germany. Germany has fully vaccinated 2.67% of its population as of March 2nd, administering 6.6 million doses. The United States has administered 78 million doses and has vaccinated 7.97% of its population. So the Japanese lag in vaccinations looks like it's going to contribute to the already present lag in its economic data.